So today I popped over to a shop where I sell bits and pieces, and I just thought I'd show you some bits that I brought home with me. I like to go over every few weeks and just refresh my stock and bring back anything that's damaged or needs a bit of TLC. So I'm Alison, the Women's School Felter, and thank you for joining me, and thank you for everybody that's subscribed so far and who's watching my videos, because it is early days for me. But anyway, let's get back to our topic. So this little owl, he hasn't sold. He was inspired by a Serafina tutorial that I did many years ago, and I just loved her little owlets that she does. I do like her whimsical style on some of her makes, so he really suited what I do, and I've just made him my own with his little book. And I love doing these because they've all got different expressions. I've got a couple of those at the moment. So he's going to make it onto my Etsy shop. And this little fox, farmer fox, I make a few foxes standing up like this. He's got his newspapers under his arm and his walking stick and his hat and scarf on, and he's come back and he's not looking too bad. And again, I think I'm going to put him on my Etsy shop, so I'm just going to stand in there. This one didn't fare quite so well. This is another little fox with flowers, and he's come back and his legs are all twisted up and his tail's all twisted, and he's been handled quite a lot. His flowers were a bit cockeyed, so I've just straightened those. So I think what I'm going to have to do is felt him round him, perhaps add a bit more wool, and just try and strengthen those legs. So the same has happened to these two little mice. Their legs have been pushed down hard. I don't think people realise that they aren't toys, then they are quite delicate. Although I have strengthened the legs on these with extra wire, they just seem to have been plonked around. So this has been happening quite a bit recently. So I think what I'm going to have to do to protect them is, I've got some little slices of wood here. I think I got these from the works, and I think I'm going to have to put a little stand on them, fix them somehow with wire drilled into the base or something. I'm going to have a little think about that, because I can't really sell them with their legs all like that. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of a repair job on these. So I just wondered if any of you guys have similar problems with things that you have for sale in shops and galleries, gift shops, and anywhere that you might be selling stuff, where things get handled a bit too much and then you have to go and collect them and do a little TLC on them. I guess it is possibly part of being in a shop. We have to accept that things do get damaged, that they will be handled. But anyway, just let me know your thoughts, and yeah, it'd be interesting to hear what you've got to say. Let me know your thoughts, and thank you for watching, and I look forward to any comments.